Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to quickly pause or resume Windows 10 updates. For this, you need to open the settings app that you can do by pressing Windows plus I key on the I key on the keyboard. Then click on this one, update and security. Here select Windows Update in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, you can click on this one link, pause updates for 7 days. It will pause the update for 7 days, and in case you want to resume it in between, you can click on this one, resume updates button. This will resume update on Windows 10. In case you want to pause the updates for more days, you can maximum pause your Windows updates for 35 days. That means 5 weeks. For that, click on this one option, advanced options. Then scroll down and you will find pause updates section. Here click on this one, pause until drop down menu. Scroll down and select the last option. This will pause your Windows 10 update up to 35 days. In case you want to resume the update, open this Windows Update settings page and click on this one, resume updates button. This will resume updates on your Windows 10 PC, and in case an update is available for your PC, then it will be downloaded from the Microsoft server and will be installed automatically and periodically. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.